What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to check out the Turbo Racing C72 RC sports car. 1/76 scale. Holy shit, is that ever small. Let's check it out. Failure. That light that turned out was the charging indicator. It is now ready to rip. Fail. Might not have enough jam to even get up the ramp. Can it do a burnout? Shit. Oh, it didn't last long. A Bob's Bulletin. It also dries well on the carpet. Oh yeah. Thanks for watching the video, everybody. I appreciate it a lot. So much so, I'm going to do my first giveaway of a brand new C72 inbox to one lucky subscriber. So for this giveaway, I would like all participants to be in North America only, please, due to shipping costs. I would like to reach 165 subscribers. Please be subscribed to my channel. Like and share the video. But mainly I would like to get over 200 views minimum, just so I have more views than the subscriber count that I currently have. Please, in the comments below, put hashtag smoke'em, hashtag smoke'em, if you'd like to enter this giveaway. Thanks to everybody who's been subscribed to me already. I can't wait to make more videos for you in the future. Good luck to everybody entering the giveaway. Take care. Entries to the giveaway will end March 30th.